Hey everybody, welcome to another video and welcome to Kathmandu. Today is my third day in Kathmandu and I'm just leaving my hostel, but I was going to give you guys a quick tour of Thamel, which is like the main tourist area here in town. So let's go check out Thamel at night. Also, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. It only takes a second and it helps me out a lot. Chungwa. So you work in religion?
Carpentry with cow.
Something.
Himali farmer restaurant.
Oh, we can.
Because then I would get more.
Excuse me, how much? 400?
Mà Huế thì nhậu thì có cô khó là chị này mà cái cô
Very sure. stamps for the teacup.
Thank you.
What about?
Thank you. Excellent. Thank you.
Welcome. Have a nice evening.
You too. Got myself a map for the route I'm going to take. Jiri to Everest. Although I'm not actually going from Jiri, I'm going from Solari, which is a bit closer to Everest. But it's an extra 3 or 4 days from the Lukla trek. Himalayan trading shop. Mexican food. So I stopped by a little shop and I got a few things. I got some paracetamol tablets, some water purification tablets, some lemon tea, and some Oreos also for pretty cheap. But I'm pretty hungry. I'm going to go to dinner, so I'm going to go to one of my favorite places. So let's go check it out. The Nepali rupee right now is 113 rupees for a US dollar. So I ordered palak paneer. It's a little over $1. Also, I got plain naan, 40 rupees. That's a lot less than $1. And hot lemon tea, but I actually got 2 of those because the glass is pretty small and I kind of wanted more. So 2 of those. Here's my dinner. Palak paneer, classic Indian dish. 2 cups of hot lemon tea and plain naan. And I just checked on my phone, it's 250 rupees, which is $2.19. So pretty good sized meal for $2 and looks pretty delicious as well. Excellent, thank you. Have a good night. So that palak paneer was amazing. And the cheapest I've ever had before. I haven't been to India yet. That's my next stop. That's it, everybody, for my walk around Thamel at night. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.